Okay, so we are out in my 2007 Honda Civic Si, but now it's tuned by Hondata's FlashPro system. We are going to go out on a drive down Brad Creek with my buddy in his Ford Focus. So that's going to be fun. It's a bit of mountain back roads. Just going to let this guy go past. So we got to turn around to go all the way down there. And then we're going to go out on the mountains and have a fun time. Film a good video. I really do love this thing with the FlashPro. So we have lowered VTEC, a higher red line, which we aren't unfortunately going to test out today because it hasn't been data logged. I'll probably short shift, I bet you 7,000-ish RPM. But other than that, everything should be normal Civic Si. Oh, rev vane's deleted. We've got launch control, all the good stuff. No soft limiter anymore. I genuinely don't know where I'm going. Brights off. It's just these headlights are kind of like the collapsible sun, as my buddy puts it. It's just a shame for the people behind you. Check my camera before we went off, and it did look centered, but it just feels off-centered to me. Fuel economy is better. I'll give it that. It is certainly better than what it was without a tune. Most of that is because you can adjust like air-fuel ratios and stuff. And my car was catless, so obviously adjusting air-fuel ratios for a more catless setup per se would make it better. This road very much reminds me of a Millerville back road. I've never been out here in my car. I'm just going really slow because of deers. Oh, that guy's headlights are like flickering. He wasn't flashing me. I think your bulbs are going out. I do love this car though. There's just something about an 8th Gen SI lead because I have no idea where I'm going. Because now we're in Pritis Creek. We have filmed winter drives in this car, and I quite like doing winter drives in this car. Except for the fact that the suspension is horrible. Ugh. But other than that, it's a pretty good winter driver. If you know anything about me, though, I don't like the speed down roads I haven't been to. I like to take them slow for safety. Just because I don't you want a good canyon carver, an SI with some coils is